Itutur ko kayo ngayon sa Elements Residences. This is our driveway, Yan. Our project is located at Shaw Boulevard. This is our lobby. Naka-tiles na yan. Naka-fully equipped na po lahat. And then, we have our 4-speed elevator. Yan. Numbers ng unit, hallways. Yan, naka-countertop, naka-base cabinet, naka-overhead cabinet. Naka-white paint na po yan. Yan, ang lawak ng unit natin sa 2-bedroom. Naka-tiles na lahat. Yan. Pangganda, no? Nung nag-view kami dyan, ang ganda talaga, nakaka-amaze. Yan, sa mga 2-bedroom with balcony. Yan, this is our master's bedroom. Ang ganda, ang lawak, no? Imagine, pag dyan ka nakatira. Sa mga mag-viewing, direct message us in Facebook. Yan, yun yung hallway natin. This is the ramp. Ganda, no? Yan, yun yung sky pool. Ito naman yung quiet zone at saka study area. This is our mini coffee bar. Ayan naman po yung sa mga kids. Ayan naman po yung push and play, collective box. And this is our music room. And this is our mini theater or more movie room. Ayan naman po yung fully equipped gym natin. This is our running track sa mga cardiovascular activities. Ito naman po yung function hall natin kapag mga malalakihang event. Ayun naman po yung basketball half court natin. Our project is Elements Residences.